guys, welcome back to Inspired to DIY. In today's video, I share a beautiful wall decor. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the project. Let's get into it. Those are the items that I will be using for this project today, and a list can also be found in the description box down below. I'll be getting the frames ready for spray painting by removing all the contents. I'll be painting all 6 frames with the silver metallic spray paint. As the frames are drying, I'll be cutting into size this beautiful gift wrap paper. If you are new here, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so you do not miss any of my next DIY projects. Using the same steps, I'll be making 6 of them. Now I'll be using this piece right there as a guide to make 6 different ovals that I'll later on use for my frame. Dollar Tree usually carry those frames around Halloween. I'm repurposing mine from last year. I'll be gluing my oval shapes onto the inner side of the frame. Once again, I will repeat the same step as I make sure all the ovals are glued in between each frames. Now I'm cleaning each glass so I can feed the papers that I previously cut it into them, and once again I'm repeating the same exact step for each of my 6 frames. This project is supposed to be a large piece. I'll be gluing all the frames together, securing them with some craft stick on the back. If you want your piece to be permanent, I recommend that you glue where each of the frames meet so it can actually stay together for a longer time. Now that our oval frames are dry, I'll use some Mod Podge, some rose gold, and regular crushed glass to fill up the middle of the frame. This is looking so beautiful already. What do you guys think? Since I do not want my frames to remain as plain, I'll be using Rhinestone to cover all the borders. I shook off all additional crushed glass off the frames and actually missed the part where I did give it a second coat of Mod Podge for sealing. Now I am placing each oval frames into each regular rectangle frames that I'll be gluing them together. That both of my frames are actually fused together, I'm using a really strong adhesive and also using some hot glue. This is what everything glued together look like. This turned out so beautiful. I'm in love with it. You can use it on your bedroom wall, your dining room, or even your living room for that matter. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.